Thank you for joining me, Joe Unwin, also known as FlowJo, on another PowerFX functions video. Today we're going to be looking at the today function and the complexities, well, not so much complexities, on how to actually use it. So on your screen, you can see I've got a function title here, and I've got today, open parentheses and close parentheses, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You type that and you get today's date, as you can see here. Now, there are some slight problems with this. If I highlight the today function, you can see it just brings back midnight. It has no data on the time. Now, if you want to actually get the time, you'll have to use a different function for that. You're going to have to check out my now video on that function to actually get the date and time. All this is going to give you is the current date today, but it is not geographical location aware. So it doesn't take into any geolocation or anything. All it does is it gives the user's location of today. Now, why may this be a problem then? Well, as you can see on the screen, I've got the date come through, but UTC now, I'm in PST and I'm 8 hours behind people that say in the UK. They are already on the 10th of October. I'm still in the 9th of October. Now, if you're creating an application that's going to be used in multiple locations, you need to take into consideration with this, especially if you're writing to the same database and you're not handling any of the locational data. Let's say you use today. Well, today is going to give me the 9th of October, but also someone else is going to get the 10th of October. But because it's not using any like geolocation data, you are not actually handling the 8 hours. So the person in the UK is going to get the 10th, and that's great if you're happy with that. But if you want everyone to, let's say, be on a PST time zone, no matter where they're located, let's say someone in the UK is using your application, inputting data, but you want the data in your database to actually be set to PST along with all your other data from your North American individuals in the Pacific Northwest, then you're going to have to handle that. Today may not be the function that you want to use then. You may want to use now, for example, or anything like that. And I'm not going to get into too much details about how I achieve this and how to show you this, because we're just focusing on the today function. So what is the today function good for? It's good for showing the user the current date today at their location. And that's all you could use it for. That's all you should use it for. And that's how easy it is to get today's date only, no time, on PowerFX. I look forward to seeing you on our next video, and don't miss out for all the function videos that I've got currently on my YouTube channel. Check them out, and I'll see you next time.